If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.
Good morning, Davao, Mindanao, North, South, East, and West. I am your newscaster, Elijah Hilcacho. And before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. For the headlines: local news, exemption to key DSWD programs amid spending bans. First Oplan Backas being successful. Navy sees 11 million pesos smuggled siege in Davao City. Davaoeños prefer cashless payment. National news: Marbil acknowledges indispensable role of women in policing leadership. 3 robbers arrested in Cebu City. International news: 83% of Americans says the president must honor Supreme Court rulings, even the divisive ones. United States relation with Europe will never be the same after Trump's call with Putin. Entertainment news: Captain America Brave New World stars. It's a Marvel movie, not a manual for the man in the White House. Pete Davidson off his ink-free body as an official boyfriend. Sports news: last gasp winner from Job Bellingham gives Real Madrid an advantage in the Championship League playoffs against Manchester City. Kevin Durant becomes the 8th player in the NBA history to hit 30,000 points mark as Phoenix Suns fall to the Memphis Grizzlies. Trivia of the day: the Philippines, coral capital of the world.
Weather forecast: shoreline affecting the eastern section of central and southern Luzon. Northeast monsoon affecting northern Luzon. Isabela, Aurora, and Quezon will be experienced cloudy skies with scattered rains and isolated thunderstorm caused by shoreline. In fact, possible flash flood or landslide due to moderate heavy rains. Mindanao will experience cloudy skies with scattered rains and thunderstorm caused by easterlies, possible flash flood or landslide due to moderate to heavy rains.
Exemption to key DSWD programs amid spending bans. The Department of Social Welfare and Development secured an exemption for the Commission of Election, allowing 28 key programs to continue despite the election spending ban. Regional Director Merlinda Paragamak confirmed this is the Kapihan sa Davao event. Essential initiatives like 4Ps, AICS, and the Sustainable Livelihood Program will proceed, ensuring support for vulnerable communities. Meanwhile, COMELEC Chairman George Garcia warned politicians against interfering in aid distribution. As the campaign period begins, the exemption ensures uninterrupted assistance while upholding elections integrity. First, Oplan Backas is being successful. The Commission on Election Davao Region, COMELEC Davao, launched its Oplan Backas campaign on February 11, 2025, removing illegal and unseized campaign materials across the city. Assistant Acting Regional Director Gay Enumerables stated that most violations involve poster on electric poles and trees, as well as those exceeding the 2 by 3 feet size limit. Operations focus on Matina Crossing, Bangkal, and key districts with security provided by military and police units. While no penalties are currently imposed, repeated offenders may face charges under the Omnibus Election Code. COMELEC Davao urges candidates to follow regulation to fair and orderly election. Navy sees 11 million pesos smuggled siege in Davao City. The Naval Special Operations Unit 7, or the NAV South 7, intercepted 11 million pesos worth of smuggled cigarettes in Tibungco, Davao City. On February 10, 2025, Lieutenant Commander Renante Levuela said smugglers abandoned their contraband and fled upon spotting authorities. Based on a tip, authorities seized 629 boxes of smuggled cigarettes and a monitorized banca, which were turned over after the Bureau of Customs and Commission on Audit. This follows a February 4 operations in Davao Occidental where over 43 million pesos worth of illegal cigarettes are seized, leading to an arrest of 7 individuals. Authorities continue their efforts to combat smuggling in the region. Davaoeños prefer cashless payment. A University of Mindanao survey reveals that 77.4% of Davaoeños use cashless payment platforms, with mobile wallets like GCash and Maya being the most preferred. Conducted from December 5 to 25, 2024, the study polled 1,550 residents, showing that 34.58% use digital payments multiple times this week. While many appreciate the speed and convenience, concern remain over internet reliability and security. Some prefer traditional cash transactions, and particularly in rural areas. The survey, conducted via Meta platforms, aimed for a 95% confidence level with a 3% margin of error, reflecting the growing shift towards the digital financial transaction in Davao City. Marbil acknowledges indispensable role of women in policing leadership. PNP Chief General Romel Marbil highlighted the crucial role of female officers in shaping law enforcement, with women now comprising nearly 20% of the force. As of February 13, 151 female officers hold the key command positions, including 4 police generals leading major divisions. Women also serve as a chief of police in Makati and Mandaluyong and as provincial directors in 5 provinces. Marbil emphasized that leadership is defined by competence, not gender, reaffirming the PNP's commitment to gender equality and professional excellence. He envisions women playing an even greater role in strengthening the transforming of the police force. 3 robbers arrested in Cebu City. 3 robbers who targeted a call center agent in Barangay Apas, Cebu City were arrested by Mabolo Police on February 12. The suspects Ivan Kier Arda, 29, Prince Gabriel Floresca, 27, and Giovanni Cabales Lungahit, 28, were caught in a flow-up operations. Authorities recovered a 22.22 caliber revolver and victim's 30,000 pesos cell phone. The suspects, known for criminal, forced the victim into a room before robbing her. CCTV footage led to their swift arrest. They faced charges of robbery, illegal possessions of firearms, and violating the COMELEC gun ban, and all 3 had prior robbery cases. "83% of Americans says the president must honor the Supreme Court rulings, even the divisive ones." A Marquette Law School poll found that 83% of Americans believe presidents must follow Supreme Court rulings, despite widespread disagreement with recent decisions, while 62% oppose overturning Roe v. Wade and Trump's immunity ruling. 51% approve of the court's overall job and its highest rating to the 3 years. Americans trust the court more than the Congress and the presidency, and the media. Trump affirmed he abides the court rulings but criticized delays caused by the appeals. Meanwhile, 63% support a Texas law requiring age verification for adult sites, and over 60% back the court's decision to allow Trump's New York case sentencing. United States' relation with Europe will never be the same after Trump's call with Putin. Donald Trump's latest moves signal a shift in transatlantic relations. His call with Vladimir Putin discussed ending the Ukraine war and exchanging visits, while the United States Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth told Europe to take responsibility for its security. Trump's demand NATO members to spend 5% of GDP on defense, prioritizing United States' interest in China and border security. European leaders now face pressure to boost military spending over special programs. Trump's nationalist approach challenges traditional alliances, favoring direct engagement with leaders like Putin and Xi. Experts say this marks the shift from institutional alliances to the great power of politics. Captain America Brave New World stars. It's a Marvel movie, not a manual for a man in the White House. Anthony Mackie stars a Captain America in a Brave New World, a film sparking political speculations despite being written before 2024 election. Some believe Harrison Ford's the character, President Thaddeus Ross, mirrors Donald Trump, but both actors dismiss such claims. Mackie urges audience to enjoy the movie without political debates, while Ford emphasized that film is entertainment, not a political commentary. Brave New World marks Mackie's first solo appearance in Captain America, continuing Sam Wilson's journey after inheriting the shields from Chris Evans, Steve Rogers, in Avengers Endgame. Pete Davidson shows off his ink-free body as an official boyfriend. Pete Davidson embraces his official boyfriend persona in Reformation's Valentine's Day campaign. In a promotional video, the comedian playfully supports off-camera shoppers, saying, "You look amazing, you should definitely get that." Known for his dating Kim Kardashian, Emily Ratajkowski, and Kaye Gerber, Davidson appears in campaign photos wearing a t-shirt that reads "Official Boyfriend," showcasing his nearly tattooed-free skin on The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon. He revealed his removing around 200 tattoos, describing the painful process as horrible due to repeated laser treatment requiring weeks of healing. Last gas winner of Joe Bellingham gives Real Madrid advantage in Champions League playoffs against Manchester City. Real Madrid staged another dramatic comeback in the Champions League, defeating Manchester City 3-2 in the first leg of their playoffs knockout tie. City lead twice, with Erling Haaland scoring early and converting the 80th minute penalty, but Madrid responded with 2 late goals. Brahim Diaz equalized the 86th minute after the mistake by City goalkeeper Ederson. And Joe Bellingham secured the win of stoppage time. Madrid manager Carlo Ancelotti praised his team's resilience. City's defensive errors proved costly, leaving them with a tough challenge in this second leg at the Santiago Bernabéu on February 19. Kevin Durant becomes the 8th player in the NBA history to hit 30,000 points mark as a Phoenix Suns fall to the Memphis Grizzlies. Kevin Durant becomes the 8th player in the NBA history to score 30,000 career points during the Phoenix Suns' 119-112 loss to the Memphis Grizzlies. Durant, who finished with 34 points, hit the milestone with a free throw in the third quarter. He joins the legends like LeBron James, Michael Jordan, and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Durant is now the joint third fastest to achieve the feat, tying Abdul-Jabbar. Suns coach Mike praised Durant's dedication, while Ja Morant honored him with a game ball. Despite Durant's effort, the Suns remain 11th in the Western Conference, trailing the second-place Grizzlies. Trivia of the day. The Philippines, squirrel capital of the world. The Philippines is the home to the largest world's diversity of the coral species, making it a global hotspot for marine biodiversity. The two Bataha Reefs, located in the heart of Cebu City, are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most pristine coral reefs ecosystem on the planet, where over 600 coral species and 1,200 marine species are. The area serves as a crucial habitat for fish, sea turtles, and sharks. This vibrant underwater paradise highlights the country's rich marine life and underscores the importance of conservation efforts to protect its fragile yet breathtaking coral ecosystem. That is all for our news today, and once again, I am your newscaster Elijah Hilcacho on Pinoy Rab's YouTube channel, reaching out Filipino here and abroad. A pleasant day for you and your family.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.